Today I am doing a test challenge for my little brother. I think you just can ignore the lights. Look! Let's start now. Hey, get away from us! Mag-start na ba? Wala sa kuha. Stop following me, little brother. Ha? Dali na. We fly. Pero flying. Pagdali na. Kaya mag-start na ta. Pag-dance na emote. Okay. Who has the most Robux? Okay. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. No one. No one. Next challenge, girl. What the? Okay. Wait lang, guys. Wait lang, guys. Mag-dance ako, guys. I'm already dancing. Okay, next challenge. Who is older than you? No one. Wrong, it's me. You don't have that new. Huh? Okay. I just closes the viewers watching. Okay, but I am your older sister. You're the first grade, I'm in second grade. Okay. Mag-emote ako, guys. Emote ako. Okay, next challenge. I have the L emote. Okay, next challenge. Who is your favorite game on Roblox and your favorite color? No changing, by the way. Lucky Block, Rush, and Blue. Okay, that's correct. Don't lie to the viewers. Doctors, I know I don't play it, but I still love it. What is this? Zombie Run, Rat Dance. Rat, 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 dance, dance. This. What is that? Okay, next challenge. What is my favorite fruit? Raisins. Huh? Raisins. Huh? Yes. Races. What? Wait lang. Go dali. Guys, my sister's favorite fruit is races. But I don't. It's not even a fruit. It's a drunk. Shut up. It's a. What is this? Next challenge. Who is my favorite YouTuber? Mike and JJ. What is it? Mike and JJ or Sheriff Labrador? Mike and JJ, guys. Guys, look at this. What the? Come on, bro. Do the butt one. Do the butt one. No. It's wrong butt. Oh my god. Next challenge. Who is YouTubers that I want to meet? By the way, it's two that I want, maybe three. Go, Jappy. The Seraph Labrador and Mike and JJ. Correcty. Next one. Who is my favorite junk? Piatos. Correct. I'm Spider-Man. Who do I like to speak? Spanish or Tagalog? Spanish. It's Tagalog. Bro, I thought you loved Spanish. Michael Jackson, Move Then. Pagdali na ba? Na-leave na ko. Leave ko. Oh my god, you just leave. Wala mo